Hello guys, this is Tough30 here, and this is a tutorial for logmein hamachi, as well as a tutorial for Minecraft servers, how to get one. Now, hamachi is the thing that allows you to get the server. If you click here on hamachi, it should open up. There we go. Now let's just delete this one. Tutorials. Yes. Now, this server is this program creates networks that allows you to create servers. Now, especially Minecraft servers, or Ventrilo servers, or WoW servers, etc. Now, the way it allows you to do that, the program itself has its own IP address, and when a program has its own IP address, it sort of means that it's a network itself. So I'm not 100% sure how to explain it, but it's up in my head. But don't worry. Now, a lot of you don't know how to use hamachi. I was a bit confused when I first seen it, and I was pretty confused actually. So yeah. Now, firstly, what you want to do is download hamachi. There's a free version and there's a buy version. Now, the buy version allows you to do extra stuff than the free version, of course, but I think the free version still does the same, it's still the same purpose, it still has the same helpfulness, I guess. Before you download it, you need to create an account. I'm not going to show you how to download it. This is a different tutorial. Maybe I'll do one, maybe I won't. It's pretty easy. Just follow the instructions, just click yes for everything. But don't log in, etc. As soon as you have that, you should have it on your desktop if you wanna, if you clicked on the right settings. And then you want to head over to minecraft.net. It's pretty easy to type in mine and then craft.net, then click on download underneath here on the left, on the right side of the screen, mid right, and go all the way down to Minecraft server.jar here underneath multiplayer beta server software. Now here there's two of them, but I do prefer clicking on server jar. I do prefer having a server jar than the server.exe for a few reasons. I can't really work with exe, and jar is easier to work with as well. So as soon as you downloaded that, just put it in your desktop. I don't really have done that, which I should have had to. Okay, here it is. I just renamed it. It's not going to come out as a MC server. It might not. Now, you're going to need these three things. Firstly, you want to go to Minecraft server. Now, this and this will not come with the actual file that you downloaded. This will come as soon as you run your Minecraft server. So let it run. You might just get the Minecraft server itself, and then when you run it, it's better to run it inside a file, so all the files will come, all the program, all the stuff that you get for the server will come on the inside the file, not all over your desktop. Now, it might take you long to run your file, your server, to create, because it's creating stuff, and as soon as it finishes rendering and preparing all that stuff, you just type in stop here. My P is broken, sorry, and then it will stop, save chunks, etc. Now, as soon as you ran the program and it has loaded, it will come up all these stuff. It will have all of these. Now, the world, you can replace the world with your own. Now, the most important thing here is the server. Now, when you go into the server,
you might maximizing it here. Now there's all these stuff with, you know, settings. It could have been easier to do it like a actual server software where it lets you create your own server with the tick box and etc. But they done it this way. It doesn't really matter, it still works. Now level name, you could change it as you want. Hell world, it's nether, but it's just you spawn in a world in the nether and you can't get out of the nether, so you stay in the nether, so your world is the nether. Now spawn monsters, true if you want there to be monsters, false if you don't want it to be monsters. Spawn animals, the same thing, which is, it's in the name. Max players is the amount of players you want it to have, the amount of players you're allowed to be inside the server at once. So I'm just leaving it as 2 because only 2 people are using it for the series that's upcoming. Now server IP, this is an important bit. Now if you go over to Hamachi, the logmein in Hamachi, up here it will show your IP there. Now you type in your hello, okay, now you type in your IP there, and then yeah, that's all you need to do for now with Hamachi, so you just minimize that. Now leave PvP, you're allowed to hit people or not. Level seed, if you want to change it, go ahead. Now server port as well, you leave it the same. You won't be able to run Minecraft if the server port is Minecraft server, if your server port is changed. Allow flights, up to you. Whitelist, if you don't know what whitelist is, it's like a little checklist for people who are allowed to enter the server. Now just close that. Now if you go up here to ops, it will just show the people who are allowed to spawn stuff, or you know, allowed to do all the extra stuff, like everything except you know, a few extra stuff. Now all you have to do is type in the name, Bubua, then press enter and type in your other person's name, and that should get them to be a op. You can also do it while running the server, it doesn't really matter. Now whitelist, you could change it, you know, you have to do that whitelist stuff, but you know, it doesn't matter because the server is going to be sort of private. Over here now you come into Hamachi. You also, the bad thing about Hamachi is that the other person that also wants to join your server has to have Hamachi in their computer as well to play in your server. That's the bad side. The easy side is that you could create servers that would take you half an hour to do within 5 minutes. Now how you do it is, of course, you just do all that stuff, and now your friend from the other computer creates an account, all that stuff, and then you click on join existing network. Now the network, oh wait, cancel. Firstly you need to create a network. When you first download Hamachi, you get a network already, but I do suggest creating a new one. So create a new network, and this one's going to be tutorial server, and then password if you want, network ID if you want. Of course this one is like a password, so if you have the same same server ID as network ID as the other person, it will show this. Network password cannot be blank. What? Oh wait, my bad. Just type in ... Now create. The network name has been taken, so I just click on server because I know that hasn't been taken. Now just ... maybe, yeah, there we go. And then create. Now that creates your network. Now the next thing to do is get your friend in the other side of the world to click on network and join an existing network. Now the network ID is the tutorial, is the actual name, so in this case it will be real server. Now if you made this the network, you don't need to create, you don't need to join it yourself, but I'm just doing this an example. Now join, it will say you own this network and already a member of it, so just leave that. Now the cool thing is you could open a chat window and chat all that stuff nonsense in there, but you know, what's the point? Now you could go offline, etc. So after that you need to, after your friend joined, after you set the IP, all that stuff, you're ready to play Minecraft. You go in there, have fun, have a bunch of bollocks fun, and enjoy yourself. That's the most important thing of all. Enjoy yourself. So yeah, that's the logmein hamachi tutorial. This is a tough 30 tutorial, and see you later, alligator.